Tanning is the making and dyeing of leather. This energy-intensive process usually generates large quantities of contaminated wastewater. With modern tanning factories in Vietnam and China, our enterprise decided to build a sustainable facility that would be state-of-the-art for many years to come and called it Project 2030. Under the leadership of our founder Thomas Schneider, we operate tanneries in China and Vietnam producing high-quality leather for shoemaking and automotive industries. Integrated energy and environmental management, as well as innovative technology, have been key factors in setting up our new production plants. We have constructed wetlands to treat the wastewater produced by the factories. In the wetland systems, the plants are used as a habitat by microorganisms that break down the chemicals in the wastewater biologically. Once a month, the plants are cut, dried, and converted directly into biogas fuel. What we have achieved is a wetland system that is not only saving energy, but also creating energy. The primary strategy, however, is to avoid producing wastewater and using excess energy. For example, bamboo walls function as an air conditioning and ventilation system. The processed wastewater from the wetlands reduces the use of water during production. Our workflow is not horizontal, but vertical, so we use high racks rather than forklifts. Our aim is to use the water over and over again. Vietnam is a very hot and wet country. The sun is directly overhead, so the roof of the company uses reflectors to reduce the heat inside of the building. It rains regularly, so we collect the rainwater and pump it back into the system with a special pump. Main production takes place in a single large hall that makes it easier to control the processes. A computerized monitoring system registers the energy requirements of each machine in the production flow. Energy from renewable sources is a primary concern at our factories. We've installed solar cells, we constructed the wetland systems. In short, we focus on renewable energies. Our way of production shows clearly that the protection of the environment is profitable and isn't necessarily a matter of high expense. To produce 1 square meter of leather, we require just 50% of the energy commonly used in the industry. In addition, it's saving approximately 2,700 tons of CO2 a year. These modern practices form the basis for the sustainable light leather label that is now increasingly in demand among leading sports shoe manufacturers. We show that investing in innovative production processes contributes to protecting the environment and can set new standards for an entire industry, while also giving the enterprise a competitive advantage. We are proud to be an inspiration for the tanning industry in Asia and beyond.